In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the App Store is missing on your iPad 11A16. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just swipe down on the home screen of your iPad and in the search bar, just search App Store. Now if you find App Store in the search over here, just tap and hold on the App Store icon and add it to the home screen. As you can see, currently the App Store icon is not available over here. Now just to show you the process, I will add another app to the home screen. For example, if I search COD, it will show me Call of Duty. So just tap and hold on the app icon and drag it to the home screen, just like that. Now, if you're unable to find the App Store in the search over here, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to the settings, and under settings, just scroll down and tap on screen time. Now before we continue, I would like to inform you that the next process will require the password of the parental controls of your iPad. After you get the password of the parental controls, then under screen time, just tap on content and privacy restrictions, and from here just tap on app installation and purchases. And just tap on installing apps. Now if it is on don't allow, just select allow. Now after you select allow, then just go back. Now in the home screen of your iPad, just open the search bar and over here just search this. Now if you're searching for the App Store and if it is not available in the search bar, then just go to the app library, and the app library just look for the App Store. Now if you're unable to find the App Store either on the home screen or in the app library, then just go back to the settings, but this time just turn off content and privacy restrictions. And after you do that, then it might ask you to enter the passcode of the parental control settings of your iPad. But after you do that, then you will turn off all the parental control settings from your iPad. And as you can see, the App Store has appeared on our home screen. Now, if I swipe down and if I go back to the search section, and over here, if I search for the App Store, it will appear in the search result, just like that. Also, if I open the app library, at the top of the list, I will find the icon of the App Store. Now from here, you can just drag the App Store back to the home screen. Just like that. And this is how you can fix if the App Store is missing on your iPad 11A16. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.